Welcome to Rajesh Lekalu. Today our topic is Fourier series. Find the Fourier expansion of f of x equal to x cos x 0 less than x less than 2 pi. See here, write solution. Let f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity b n sin nx. Now x cos x f of x equal to x cos x a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity b n sin nx. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Okay, right. Then here a naught equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x into dx. Okay, right. See here, that equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi x cos x into dx. Okay, see, this is a u into v integration. This is u, this is v. X as is right put here. Integral cos x, what is that? Sin x minus 1 into, right, this is derivative. Integral sin x again here minus cos x. Now 1 is the derivative with respect to x constant 0 and something 0, that equals 0 to 2 pi. Okay, right. 1 by pi, right. See, upper limit sin 2 pi, what is that? See, sin 0 0, sin pi 0, sin 2 pi 0. Okay, up to sin 2 n pi also 0. See, sin n pi also 0, sin 2 into n plus 1 into pi also 0. Okay, see, remember that this one, sin 2 into n minus 1 into pi also 0. Okay, right. 0 minus into minus plus cos 2 pi. Do you know here cos 2 pi? What is that? 1 minus x substituting 0 here, sin 0 0 0 minus into minus plus cos 0 1. Okay, right. What is that? See here, 1 by pi 1 minus 1, this is equal to 0. So a naught equal, what is that? 0. Next, an 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x cos nx into dx, that equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi x cos nx into dx. Now multiplication and divisor 2 0 to 2 pi x into 2, what is that? Cos x cos nx into dx. Do you know here, using formulas, 2 cos a cos b equal to, what is that? Cos a plus b minus plus cos a minus b. Okay, now see here, this is b, here a replaced 1, b replaced here n. Okay, remember that this one using this formula. Okay, don't confuse. That equal to 1 by 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi, right, x cos 1 plus n into x plus cos 1 minus n into x into dx, that equals 1 by 2 pi, what is that? Integral 0 to 2 pi x cos 1 plus n into x dx plus c, integrating, separating here, 0 to 2 pi x cos 1 minus n into x dx. Okay, right. And see here, what is that? That equal to 1 by 2 pi. See, this is u, this is v, this is u, this is v. X sin 1 plus n into x by 1 plus n minus 1 into minus cos 1 plus n by 1 plus n whole square into x. Okay, this is 0 to 2 pi. This is this integral here, this is u into v. Next, plus 1 by 2 pi x sine 1 minus n into x by 1 minus n minus 1 minus cos 1 minus n into x by 1 minus n whole square to 0 to 2 pi. Okay, now see here upper limit. Now see, now using these two formulas here, what is that? Simple way, right? Sine 1 minus n into 2 pi equal to sine 1 minus n into 2 pi, this equal to 0. Okay, right? Next cos 1 plus n into 2 pi cos 1 minus n into 2 pi equal to 1. Using this one, see here, sine 2 pi, sine 1 plus n 2 pi, here 2 pi, this value 0, minus into minus plus, cos 2 pi, this value 1. Next lower limit substituting here, 0 and something 0, cos 0, what is that? 1. Okay, remember that one. Next this value also 0, sine 2 pi, substituting here. Next upper limit 1, minus into minus plus, 1 by 1 minus n whole square. Now this one, x substituting 0, sine 0, that value 0. Okay, now here cos 0, 1. Okay, 1 by 1 minus n square. Okay, clearly? Right. See here, this is first integral, 0 plus 1 by 1 plus n whole square minus 0 plus 1 by 1 plus n whole square plus 1 by 2 pi, 0 plus 1 by 1 minus n whole square plus minus 0 plus 1 by 1 minus n whole square. See here, that equal to 1 by 2 pi. What is that? 1 by 1 plus n whole square minus 1 plus 1 by n whole square. Okay, right, plus 1 by 2 pi, 1 by 1 minus n whole square minus 1 by 1 minus n whole square. See, this is 0 plus 0. An equal also 0. See here, now for if n equal to 1, if n equal to 1, a1 equals 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi, what is that? X into cos x into cos nx ప్లేస్ లో ఇక్కడ n ఉన్న చోట ఏం చేద్దాం, x పెడదాం. ఓకేనా అండి? రైట్, 1 by 2 pi. an అంటే ఏంటి మరి మనకి? 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi x f of x into cos nx. f of x means here cos x, x cos x. ఓకే, f of x means here x cos x. ఓకే, మరి cos nx ప్లేస్ లో n ఉన్న చోట ఏం చేసాం? 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాం, ఇంటిగ్రల్ 0 to 2 pi. Okay, right, no here, see, x into x cos square x into dx, right, that equal to 1 by pi. What is that? Integral 0 to 2 pi x into, what is that? This value here, see, cos square x, right? Now 2 multiplication and division. Okay, multiplication and division, 2 multiplication, 1 by 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi. What is that? X into 1 plus cos 2x into dx. సరే ఎలా వచ్చిందంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మీకు ఉంటండి 1 plus cos 2x by 2 equal to cos square x. Okay, 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x. Okay, clearly, right? That equals 1 by 2 pi. Now this is u, this is v integration here. X plus sin 2x by 2 minus, this is 1 derivative. What is that? Again x square by 2 minus cos 2x by 4, 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi. Okay, right. Now substituting here, sin 4 pi, sin 2 pi, sin 3 pi, sin 4 pi. What is that? This value 0. 2 pi into 2 pi. Okay, 1 by 2 pi. What is that? 2 pi into 2 pi plus 0, right, minus this one 2 pi whole square. Okay, 4 pi square by 2. What is that? Minus cos 4 pi. What is that? 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Okay, right, minus lower limit 0 and something complete 0. Okay, minus of 0 minus, see here, cos 0, what is that? 1 by 4. 4 pi square minus 4 pi square by 2 minus of minus plus 1 by 4. See here, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus 1 by 4. Okay. 8 4 pi pi square. What is that? 1 by 4, 1 by 4 get cancelled. Okay. Right. See, 4 pi square by 2. 4 pi square by 2. This value get cancelled. See LCM here. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 2 get cancelled. Pi get cancelled completely. Pi. A1 equal to what is that? Pi. Next we find here Bn. Okay. Next we find here what is that? Bn. Bn equal to what is that? 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x sin n x into dx. Okay, that equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi x cos x sin n x dx. See, 2 multiplication and division here 0 to 2 pi, but x into 2 cos x sin n x into dx. 1 by 2 pi, what is that? 0 to 2 pi. See, x into this formula is, see here, 2 cos a sin b, that equal to what is that? 2 cos a sin b. Sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Okay, see here, a means here 1. Okay, ఇక్కడ 1 ఇది b. X into dx, that equal to 1 by 2 pi minus 1 by 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi dx. Okay, let's see here. Now separate it. This is u, this is v, this is u, this is v. Okay, right? What is that? X minus cos 1 plus n by 1 plus n x here minus 1. C integral minus sin 1 plus n x by 1 plus n whole square. This is 0 to 2 pi, right? Minus 1 by 2 pi x minus cos 1 minus n x by 1 minus n, 1 into minus sin n by 1 minus n whole square 0 to 2 pi. Okay, do you know here cos 1 plus n 2 pi, what is that? 1. Sin 1 plus n 2 pi 0. Okay, right? 2 pi, this is minus 1 by 1 plus n. Okay, minus into minus plus, this value 0. Okay, this is the upper limit minus lower limit. 0 substituting here, this value is 0. Sin 0, 0. Minus 1 by 2 pi. This one. Okay. See this value. 2 pi into minus 1. Cos 1 minus n into 2 pi. What is that? This value 1. See here minus 1 by 1 minus n. Minus n minus plus. Sin 1 minus n into 2 pi. What is that? This value 0. Okay. 0. Minus. See lower limit substituting here 0 plus 0. Okay. Right. 1 by 2 pi. 2 pi into minus 1 by 1 minus n minus 1 by 2 pi 2 pi into minus 1 by 1 minus n. See here 1 plus n, this is 1 minus n. 2 pi 2 pi 2 pi 2 pi get cancelled. What is that? Minus 1 by 1 minus 1 plus n minus of minus plus 1 by 1 minus n. Okay, now this is a 1 by 1 minus n minus 1 by 1 plus n. This is LCM here. 1 plus n minus plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. 1 plus n minus 1 plus n by 1 minus n square, that equal to 2n by 1 minus n square, comma n not equal to 1. So we find here bn, so b1. Okay, if n equal to 1, then equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi. What is that? F of x sin x into dx. Okay, sin x into dx. b1 equal 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi. What is that? X cos x into sin x into dx. Now 2 multiplication and division here. Write 1 by 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi. Write x into 2 cos x into sin x. What is that? 2 sin x into cos x. What is that? Sin 2x. 1 by 2 pi. Write integral 0 to 2 pi x sin 2x into dx. Okay, write 1 by 2 pi. What is that? This is u minus cos 2x by 2 minus 1 into, what is that? Minus sin 2x by 2, 4. Okay, write 0 to 2 pi. What is that? 1 by 2 pi. Now see here, upper limit substituting. Cos 4 pi 1, 2 pi into minus 1 by 2 minus of minus sin 4 pi 0 minus c lower limit 0 plus 0. Okay, right, 2 pi get cancelled, c minus 1 by 2. This is b1 value. Okay, right, see a0 a1 b1 an bn values in equation 1, substituting in equation 1. See here, from equation 1, what is that? X cos x equal to what is that? a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinite. What is that? an cos nx plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinite bn sin nx. See, x cos x equal to a0 by 2 plus n, 1 substituting here, a1 cos x plus summation n is equal to 2 to infinite an cos nx plus b1 sin x plus summation n is equal to 2 to infinite bn sin nx. Okay, right, what is that a0 value? See here, a0 equal to 0. Okay, a0 equal to 0 plus a1 value, what is that? a1 equal to pi. Okay, pi cos x plus, what is that? an value 0 plus b1 value, what is that? Minus 1 by 2 into sin x plus bn value summation n is equal to 2 to infinite 2n by 1 minus n square into sin nx. Okay, that equal to pi cos x minus 1 by 2 sin x minus, see here, what is that? This value bn value 2. Okay, 2 into summation n is equal to 2 to infinite 1 minus n square into sin nx. Okay, this is the solution. Do you have any doubt? Please comment. Please subscribe my channel. This is very most important problem. Okay, దీంట్లో మీకు ఏం డౌట్ ఉందంటే కామెంట్ పెట్టండి. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget like and share. Thank you.